Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Astra case safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the upper ball joint of the sway bar links. Break the rotation of the ball joint with the 9mm spanner and remove the nut using the 18mm spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Remove the nut. Then the sway bar link. Clean and apply silicone grease to the parts of the shock absorber that will be in contact with the sleeves. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Remove the lug nuts provided with it. Put the sway bar link back in place. Tighten the nut using an 18mm. Hold the ball joint with an 8 spanner to prevent it from turning. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. Tighten the nuts with a torque spanner. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.